Okay, we're checking out now. This hostel requires us to remove all the bed linens and bed sheet and quilt covers, and we have cleaned up the place, as you can see. Right, everything is tidy now. So this is the basic etiquette. Alright, when you're out in European countries, remember this is the basic etiquette, whether it's an Airbnb or houses that you're staying. Do return them as what it was given to you, clean everything, and then alright, return it back to them. Okay, cheers.